can be a very powerful tool in learning, as they allow students to apply theoretical concepts in practical, intangible situations. This approach not only makes learning more attractive and dynamic, but it also helps students retain information better through direct experience. The goal of using experiments in education is that students learn better when they do, observe, and reflect on what they experience. In English teaching, experiments allow the students to be involved in the whole process, from making hypotheses to observing results, which strengthens their understanding and improves their language skills.
Breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down.
Hello, I am going to talk about my experiment. My experiment is called boiler and air pressure experiment. The materials are a clear plastic bottle, water, and lid with a hole in it. Can be a perforant stopper. And procedure is when the bottle will the water win water leaving at a little space and the stop so it doesn't spill. And cap the bottle, place the cap with the hole, making sure it is tight. Open the lid. When you open the lid, water begins to flow down the hole. When I close the lid, when you close the lid, the water flow stop. Explanation. When you open the cap, when you do this, you allow air to enter the bottle. This equations the pressure inside the bottle with the outside air pressure, and gravity acts on the water, allowing it to flow out. In addition, in the coming air occupied the space left by the water, making it easy for the water to flow out. Thank you.
I'm going to perform an experiment to observe the phenomenon of fluorescence using everyday materials. We'll see how laying in the market glows when we shine the ultraviolet light on it. This glow happens because of a special process called fluorescence, which is used in many areas like biology. Let's start by checking the materials we'll need. A fluorescent highlighter, a transparent glass, water, ultraviolet light, and scissors. Now let's begin the experiment. First, take the highlighter and carefully open the plastic casing. Inside the marker, you'll find a felt cylinder soaked with fluorescent ink. Carefully remove the felt cylinder. Place the felt cylinder directly into a glass of water. Let the felt cylinder in the water for a few minutes until the fluorescent ink dissolves and tints the water. Now turn off the lights and shine the ultraviolet light over the glass of water and observe how the water glows under the ultraviolet light thanks to the fluorescent pigment dissolves in it. This glowing effect is called fluorescence. The ink in the marker absorbs ultraviolet light, which we can see, and change it into visible light that we can see as a glow. This is why the water lights up under the black light. Fluorescence is used in many things, like highlighters and even in science lab to study small samples. It is a fascinating process that can observe easily using common objects in our daily life. Now I'm going to present different ideas that go with ultraviolet light. First and second. Now with ultraviolet light.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to do the experiment that called tsunami water tsunami, and you need these materials: alcohol, a candle, a lighter, water, one glass, a base of glass or a container of glass, and food coloring. The first step, you put on the water in the container. Then you put on the colorant on the container, and you can mix. Then you put on the alcohol in the glass. Finally, turn on the candle and turn on the glass, and you can see the reaction.
In conclusion, conducting chemistry experiments in English helps children learn vocabulary in context, practice in real life situations, develop cognitive and language skills, and become motivated through dynamic and multisensory learning.